Jackie Walsh first became involved in Comhaltas Cultúr in his native Lyra Compán. After a number of successful and enjoyable Ina Ceol in the local national school, Jackie was one of the founding members and was secretary of the first Comhaltas branch in Lyra Compán in 1977. Jackie was then appointed last Cathaoirleach of Kerry County Board from 1979 until 1986, and he became Cathaoirleach of the County Board in 1987 and continued in that role until 2006, being the longest serving County Board Cathaoirleach to date. He served with the one and only Trasa Ferreter, who was Secretary of the County Board during all that period, and they became firm friends, sharing the same ideas for the promotion of the Irish culture among the Comhaltas members of Kerry. Jackie was an active member on 10 of the 14 Fleadh na hÉireann committees in Listowel. For many years, Jackie enjoyed travelling up and down the length and the breadth of Ireland to Munster and All-Ireland Fleadh na Ceol. To this day, he remains very proud of the many county, provincial and All-Ireland successes of his family in the traditional singing and Áraíonaíocht competitions. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please welcome on stage Jackie Walsh.
Far away from my homeland in Kerry, where I've been for a number of years, although in my heart I am happy, in my memory it sometimes appears, in that sweet little spot by the Smearlough, where I first saw the light of the dawn, where I played with my friends and companions, near my home in sweet Lyra Compán. Dear homeland, I'll always think of you, no matter how long I'm away, and my mind, it will always be with you, as the wind blows from Tralee Bay. When Ireland was fighting for freedom, like a comrade I fought like a man, for independence from my own native country, and my home in sweet Lyra Compán. The music and song at the crossroads I can still hear so clearly today, when in fancy my memory it wanders to the days that are long gone away. There on the flat floors in the kitchen, where often I dance until dawn, God be with the bright days of my childhood, and my home in sweet Lyra Compán. In dreams I was often awakened by the sound of the river beyond, where often I fished in its waters, handsome, lovely, fine salmon did land. Those days, they are now gone forever. All the wealth in the world I would pawn, if I could only return as a guard soon to my home in sweet Lyra Crompon. Westwards of Dacre, on the golden sand of Vailbon, where I wait for the mountains of Brandon to appear in the red light of dawn. I gaze over Smerwick Harbour, see the yacht with its billowing sail. My body is here in the Bowery, but my heart's in the land of the gale.
Too free with the juice of the barley, it softens my will and my brain. And whenever I raise a few dollars, sure I fall off the wagon again. But I'm thinking of Kerry in Ireland, the Blaskets and fair County Bale, when the sun is a red ball of fire, as it sets o'er the land of the gale.
Now the wind, like a knife, it goes through me, and with hunger I'm ready to fall. The snowflakes are swirling around me as I head for the church mission hall. I hear the sweet song of the skylark, and I listen to the colonel's sad wail, as over the ocean it's calling me to come back to the land of the gale.
For
it's 50 long years since I left it, a young fellow still in my teens. Did I ever return, now you ask me? I go back every night in my dreams. Yes, the call of my homeland's all powerful, and I'm certain this time I'll not fail. Then I hear my own tongue, and again I'll be known, when I'm home in the land of the gale.
The town it climbs on the sea. At waking time or at sleeping, it is there I long to be, to walk again those kindly streets, in the place my life began, with the boys of Bournemouth who hunted for the wren.
With cudgels stout we roamed about, to hunt the gedrolling. We searched for birds neath every forest, from the Dart to Dunedin. We jumped for joy beneath the sky, life held no brink nor plan. With the boys of Bournemouth who hunted for the wren.
And when the hills were bleeding and rifles were aflame, to the rebel homes of Kerry the Saxon strangers came, the men who dared the Oxys and who fought the Black and Tans,
Were the boys of Bournemouth who hunted for the wren. So here's a hell to them tonight, those lads who fought with me. From the groves round Carron River and the slopes of Beanity, Condolly and Batandy, the Sheehan's gone and done, werewolves boys of Bournemouth who hunted for the wren.